Welcome to Iron Stoic. There's something powerful that happens in a single hug. Not just any hug, the kind that lingers for half a second longer than it should. The kind that makes her breath hedge, her mind replay it later that night, and her body remember it days after it's over. That kind of hug that doesn't just touch her skin, but leaves an impression on her soul. You see, most men hug without thought. They rush it. They pull away too soon. Or worse, they hug like a lifeless, forgettable, and weak Buddha high-value man, a man who understands female psychology knows. The hug is not just a moment of contact, it's a message, a subtle whisper of confidence, of strength, of grounded masculine percent. A properly delivered hug says, I see you, I feel you, and I didn't need to say a word to make you feel safe in my energy, even if she's taken, even if she's guarded did. Even if she doesn't say a thing, you can still leave a deep mark, a silent storm in her emotional memory. Because women don't remember everything you say, but they never forget how you made them feel. Especially during moments of physical helplessness, especially during a hug. Now, here's the problem. Most men wasted this opportunity. They go in limp or too aggressive or just robotic, so the moment pauses and nothing changes. But when you use this subtle trick, this hug secret I'm about to show you, she will feel something she wasn't expecting, a rush of comfort, mystery, intrigue. It activates a part of her nervous system that starts associating you with safety, arousal, and curiosity all at once. She may not know why, but she'll start thinking about you randomly, missing that feeling, craving that moment again. This works on women who already like you. It works even better on women who are unsure about you. And it especially works on women who are taken but secretly looking for something deeper, something real. No, let's be clear. This is not manipulation. This is presence. It's awareness. It's how you use your masculine stillness to activate your feminine longing. You're not doing anything overt. You're not crossing boundaries. You're simply showing her a version of masculinity she forget instead, and that is how you stay on her men. Let's break down the false strategy in that section. There are a few rare moments in life when words become completely irrelevant. When time slows, when her breath softens, when the world gets quiet for a second, and all she can feel is you, not your voice, not your compliments, not even your touch in the obvious sense, but your presence on Doni of the most underrated place where it presents, can silently flood her systems in a hug. Not a sexual moment, not a pickup line, not a clever joke or witty text, just a hug. But not just any hug. The kind of hug that gets stored in her subconscious like a scent she can't forget. The kind that disrupts her emotional rhythm. The kind that Makasha asked herself questions she didn't want to ask. Why did that feel so different? Why did I feel safe and seen and just a little bit turned on? Why am I thinking about that hug when I should be focused on someone else? And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most men will never know how to give that kind of hug because most men hug the way they shake hands, with politeness, not power. They didn't understand what's happening beneath the surface. They don't understand the energetic exchange that happens in that brief moment and see Miss golden opportunity to create excellent emotional ripple. A moment that teaches inside her long after the ember scenes. Let's be brutally honest here. A lot of guys think that to make a woman think about them, they need to be flashy. They need to impress her with money, status, muscles, or game. But women are far more complex and far more subtle than that. They don't crave attention. They crave connection. And that connection doesn't come from talking. It doesn't come from trying. It doesn't even come from touching the right places. It comes from how she feels in your presence, especially in quiet, intimate seconds where your bodies are close. Your hearts are beating near each other. And there's no one to distract her from what she feels. And that's exactly where this hug trick comes in. It's not about grabbing her. It's not about seducing her. It's not about being aggressive. It's about showing her through stillness, awareness, and masculine depth that you are the kind of man who knows how to slow the world down. That she doesn't perform, that she doesn't have to pretend, that her nervous system can't take a breath around you. Even if she's taken, even if she's unsure, even if she's hiding behind a polite smile. This isn't about trying to steal a woman away. It's not about disrespect. It's about awakening something in her that she forgot existed. And once you awaken that, once you touch that quiet tender place in her emotional world, she won't just remember you. She feels drawn to you, curious about you, even haunted by you. All because you hugged her differently. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to do that step by step, not in a cheesy pickup way, but in a stoic, grounded, deeply human way, a way that honors both you and her, a way that sets you apart, not just as a man who knows how to touch, but as a man who knows how to reach her. Let's dive in. Let's begin with something every high-value man knows. But few dare to. A woman doesn't remember the hug itself. She remembers how the hug made her feel. If you can create a feeling during a simple embrace, a sense of ground warmth, mystery, and calm masculine expression, she won't just remember the hug, she'll remember you. This isn't about seduction. It's about influence. It's about understanding. How women stir emotions, not logic. And that's what we'll unpack right now. How to use a yuga's an emotional blueprint that makes her think about you long after you're gone. 1. The Stoic Hug Principle. Come power when you hug a woman, especially one who's taken. Your posture, energy, and presence speak louder than your words. A low-value man hugs with nervous excitement. He's thinking about the physical contact, maybe even hoping for more. But a stoic man, he hugs with calm power. He's present, not pushy. He's not trying to get something from her. He's simply living, radiating grounded masculine energy, and that alone is magnetic. When you exude this calm power, she feels ID in her nervous system. It slows her heart rate. It triggers oxytocin release, and most importantly, it confuses her expectations. She's used to hugs by unforgettable or overly eager. But this presence, it lingers too. Timing the release, the unexpected. Most people hug too quickly, a brief contact, and pull away. But what that happens when you pause, just a heartbeat longer than expected, not too long, no awkward but intentional. That split second communicates something primal. I'm not afraid of closeness. I'm in control of myself. I'm choosing this moment. That extra second rewires how perceives you. It's not about clinging or dominating. It's about entering. You leave him or not. With force but with intention. That small POW is like an underline on a sentence. It makes her mind play theme it again and again because it stood out. 3. The subtle sin hack up psychological trigger. Here's a tricky few men know. Olfactory memory. The morty to smell is the strongest and most emotional form of memory in humans. If you want her to subconsciously think about you, invest in a subtle but memorable scent. Something clean, masculine, not overpowering. Now combine that with a calm, grounded hug and her brain starts building a link between that scent and that feeling. Next time she smells anything similar, even faintly, she feel you in the background of her thoughts. That's how light-level men and imprint, not with flashy behavior, but with invisible influence for the chest-to-cheek contact. A deep psychological trick. When you hug, angle slightly so her cheek lightly brushes to your chest, especially your heart area. Why? Because physical proximity to the heart, even symbolic unconscious like a nascent emotional safety. Women are wired to respond to subtle signals of protectiveness and presence. That 1-second contact at the heart level tells her nervous system this man is safe, warm, confident. Even if she's in a relationship, that moment will carve a small emotional doorway in her mind. And if you've done everything else right, she'll walk through it mentally over and over again. 5. Your breathing controls hers. Ever notice how Pia planner? Body language, the same happens with breathing. If you slow your breathing down deep and study during hug, she unconsciously mirrors that rhythm. And when you control a woman's breath, even for a second, you become unforgettable. Why? Because that moment becomes a physiological anchor. She may not understand it logically, but emotionally she felt calmer, safer, more feminine, more connected. And all of that came from you. 6. Don't talk. Let's do the work. The biggest mistake men make during a hug is talking. Nervous chatter kills energy. Silence when used with confidence becomes poor. When you say nothing but you're fully present, it forces her to feel. And women remember feelings, not facts. Let's hug. End in silence. A soft exhale, a grounded smile, eye contact. Then walk away slowly. You don't need her validation. You don't need her reaction. Your presence alone was no. That's how you become unforgettable. 7. Make it rare, not repetitive. Mystery only works if there's space. If you're constant lagging her access to her energy, hugs become routine. But if you make them rare and always layered with intention, then each one becomes mastery, a memory, a craving. So don't always hug. Don't always be available. Instead, let her miss the feeling of your presence. That contrast is what creates psychologicality. Practice the one-hand hold back technique. Here's a subtle move. As you end the hug, place your hand lightly on her upper arm or back just for a split second like a soft hold back. It's not a grip. It's not forceful. It's a signal, a subtle gesture that says I noticed you. It shows intentionality and it adds texture to the memory again. She may not know what just happened, but she'll feel it later when she's alone, her mind will wander back. That is show high value men stay a woman's mind, not by pursuing but be leaving emotional fingerprints. Narrate the situation, then break that pattern. Every woman expects a hug to follow a script. Break that script subtly. Maybe hold her hand for a moment before the hug. Maybe look into her eyes with stillness before letting in. These tiny breaks from routine make the hug feel cinematic instead of ordinary. It's not about stoosing her away from some emails. It's about reminding her of something real, something rare, something her current situation might not give her. Presence, masculinity, calm energy. 10. Aftermath. Walk away like a stoic. Don't linger. Don't wait for approval after you've hugged her with intention. Silence and grounded energy. Walk away like a man who has nothing to prove. That final act seals the impression. She watched you walk away and feel something she can't explain. That's when she starts to think, who was that? What just happened? Why do I feel this way? And that's when she think about too long into the night and again the next time you see her. If this video made something click inside you, if you felt even for a moment that quiet purring, that shift from being passive, becoming intentional with how you how you look, how you show up, then brother, you're not watching just another video, you're waking up. And now the question becomes, what are you going to do with that awareness? Because the hug, that simple moment we all take for granted, is a portal. It's a chance to leave an imprint to show her something most men never even realize they load. To offer presence. Grounded energy, restraint, power without force. And here's the brutal truth. 99% of guys will forget this. The next time she leans in for a hug, they'll freeze up. They'll overthink. Or they'll try to be slick and end up coming off needy, awkward, or forgettable. But you, if you do this right, you won't just hug her, you'll shift her nervous system. You will beckon the safest danger she's ever felt. And she'll think about you long after she walks away, even if she goes to someone else. So if you're ready to stop being just another nice guy woman, forget the second you walk away, and instead become the rare kind of man chef feels in her body long after, then don't just watch videos. Not train, sharpen your energy, learn the emotional lang. Women feel beneath words, and that's what this channel is about. Every video here is a weapon, Allison, a mirror, and a guide. So here's what you do next. What heavy mark, hit that subscribe button, not for me, for you. For the version of you that refuses to be average anymore. What heavy checkmark turn on the notification bell beckas, I'm not here to entertain. I'm here to train men to think differently, speak differently, and carry themselves like the rare king world is starving for white heavy mark and comment below. I won't be forgotten. If you really absorb today's listen, if you're ready to leave your imprint not just on her but on this world, but if you really absorb today's listen, if you're ready to leave your imprint not just on her but on to not just on her but on this world, let me know you're part of this rare tribe. This is Stoic paradox where don't chase, we attract by mastering crystals, where silence I louder than we talk. Where restraint is more seductive than bravado and where a simple hug done right can haunt her dreams. Thanks for watching. Now go blue hat. You learned. And remember, Therant Man doesn't beg to be remembered, and don't forget to subscribe Iron Stoic and stay tuned.